Hey there, I'm Amy Feller, known as the Roofer Chick, and I'm making this video today to make a major announcement for our company that I'm really excited about. We've decided to take the name Roofer Chicks and make that the company name instead of Feller Roofing of New Braunfels. So we are about to switch everything over and go that direction, and wanted to explain a little bit about why we're going that direction. And probably to help with that, Roofer Chick was born, it was quite a while ago, I don't even know when, but my brother and I were having a good time, talking, just hanging out and laughing like we always do. And I came up with the great idea that wouldn't it be cool if we put Roofer Chick, if I was the Roofer Chick, and we put that in the back window of my truck. And there might have been some alcohol involved in that conversation. And the next day when I woke up, or whenever, I thought about it and I was like, that would not be a good idea at all. And I was a quiet person and self-conscious, and I realized that that would be a terrible idea. But I never told my brother that I had decided that it was a terrible idea. It was just one of those things, you know? And a few months later, I went on vacation, and when I came back, as a surprise, he had Roofer Chick put in the back window of my truck, and I was like, that's great. And I just rolled with it. I didn't want to hurt his feelings, but I felt like everybody was staring at me, and I was real self-conscious about it for a long time. And that has morphed. I have changed as a person. I'm really proud of it now, and I think it's fun. And I don't care who's looking at me in my truck. And I have a lot of passion behind that name and what it represents. And we're not an entirely female company, and we never will be. I don't ever want to be. But I do take a lot of pride in empowering women and trying to get them to try out a position in the trades, even if it's not roofing, whatever it might be. And so I believe in it strongly, and it has more meaning to me than Feller Roofing. The name of the company is changing. It's going to be a DBA. Will technically on paper still be Feller Roofing of New Braunfels, but over the next 6 months to a year, we're going to slowly start switching over everything, truck wraps and shirts, and there's a lot to it, and we're gonna phase it out. I'm not gonna just redo everything overnight. It will be the same management, it will be the same team. It's us. No, we didn't go bankrupt. Everything's fine. We're just going to make this change. And I wanted to show you what our new logo is going to be. We've put a lot of time and energy and thought into this, and I'm proud of it. And you'll start seeing it around, and you'll see less and less of the Feller Roofing logo as time goes by. So to recap, we are no longer Feller Roofing. We are the Roofer Chicks. And thank you for watching and for supporting us in our journey.